Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana Alvarez Thomas. I'm excited to be in this class this semester, and I guess I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. Currently, I work as a contractor for the PA Army National Guard. I work with the Army Substance Abuse Program as a case manager. Basically, my title is Prevention Coordinator. I assist soldiers who have positive urinalysis or self-refer for substance use issues, and I help them get drug evaluated, and find treatment if necessary. I also provide units throughout central Pennsylvania with preventative training, and we also conduct annual risk assessment surveys to all units across the state, and we analyze them and help commanders and leadership identify risk factors among their units, and we help them come up with a plan of action on how to mitigate those stressors. So we do a lot. I've been with my company for a year now, and we really have done a lot of great things, and I really enjoy my job. Um, so far, I have enjoyed learning the most. I think my first class where I read an article about the importance of being seen, heard, and known in group therapy and group practices. I really enjoyed that article, and since reading that article, I have really taken that into account, not only when I'm talking about groups and group work, but in every single aspect of my job. I'm always striving to make sure that that basic need of being seen, heard, and known is it is met for the people I work with. Um, for this class particularly, I don't have um, anything in particular that I'm looking forward to or I'm not looking forward to. Honestly, I just kind of go with the flow. In any class, I am looking forward to to just deepen my understanding of the field of social work. If anything, really, maybe to broaden um, my knowledge of substance use policy with regards to veterans, maybe. That's something I can look forward to. But anyway, I do look forward to meeting everybody in class and to to just learning more and getting one step closer to a master's. So I look forward to talking to all of you, and um, hope to learn more soon. Thanks. Bye.